Uh-oh. Yeah, if you can't see that, that is the oil pan. And I managed to death wheel a hole into it. In my defense, AMC, come on. Design an engine mount where you can remove the oil pan without either raising the engine up or trimming the engine mount itself. So, we are churching it up on the Jeep already. Brand new oil pan. It's gonna be way too good for this Jeep, but I was gonna try to weld it up, but that metal's thin. It's from 1974, so it's terrible. Anyways, I'm still waiting on a few parts, like the two-piece rear main seal. I figured since I had the oil pan off, I'd replace that. I'm not sure that it was leaking, but better safe than sorry. But the show must go on. I'm gonna create some more content. So today, I have something cool planned. I'm gonna do a little fabrication project. I want to create a little portable welding table. I've got this big one, but I want something small that I can roll up beside the Jeep, do some welding, or take oily parts off and set it on it. Just something more portable and that's like working height. That one's pretty low. It works good. You can sit down and do some welding, but I want something that's standing room height to do some welding on. So let's get started. So we've got all the legs cut out. Got the top plasma cutted out. I did that several months ago. Got the casters. I'm gonna get this welded up so we can have us a little portable work table. So I got where I want to put the legs marked. Got a little jig made up here. Gonna weld those legs onto the casters and then weld the legs and casters onto the top. First though, I got to get that cleaned up. Good enough for who it's for. Steamy. Okay, this is how I'm gonna do this. Got my magnets on each side. It's pretty well level. I'm gonna tack it in. professional shop should have an anvil. So, got the legs welded on, and I'm currently putting on some cross bracing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one across the middle here, like so. Get that welded on, and should be close to being done. There's a few things I want to add, but nothing pressing. Well, unfortunately, I'm done for the night. I am all out of wire. I'll have to finish up this project later. All right, take two. We are level. Man, that even surprises me. So, what you guys failed to get to see was, because I lost the video, was I cut one of the legs maybe an inch longer than the others. And I had it welded on. As you can imagine, that was quite a fail. But that was an opportunity to practice my welding and grinding skills, and I got that fixed right away. And I'm pretty happy with that for sure. That's better than most things I build. So I've got a few things I want to add to the table. I've got this awesome vise. It's supposed to go into a hitch, but I'm going to make a few receivers on this to move at different places on this table. And I've got this awesome, you press down on that foot and it holds a piece of metal to grind or cut. It's just super quick. I'm going to mount that somewhere on it. I've already got this mounted, so you can see how that works, and I've got another one to go on the other side. So the table rolls really good, and I think it's going to be a great work surface. Super happy. So I got a fresh new spool of welding wire. Let's turn and burn. All right, so I got the tool holders welded on. And then I got this cool little quick clamp. As you can see, you press that pedal and put a piece of metal in there, grind on it, cut it, do whatever you want. This is gonna be my mount for my vise. That slides right in there. I've got to get that cleaned up and welded on. And I'm gonna call the table finished. So let's go ahead and that's hot. Okay, there it is. Finished product. Get the vise mounted. It's removable. I really like it. It's great size. Ah, shoot, that's still hot. Whew. Yeah. So I think that's gonna work out great. Our one day build turned into two, but I'll learn how to read a tape measure one of these days. So if this is the kind of stuff you like, please like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, your neighbors. Thanks for watching.